Hi friends, in this video we have to learn about types of error in a Python. So what is the error? Errors are mainly classified into the three types. First of all, you need to see what is the errors. So error in a Python is a problem in a program that prevents it from executing correctly or cause it to produce a incorrect result. So what is the error? Error is a problem which occur during the execution of a program and it produces the incorrect result as well. So why errors come? Error may be come in your program to stop execution, allow the program to run but generate the wrong output. So here you can see the types of error in Python. In Python, there are three types of error. So first is a syntax error. So what is the syntax error? Syntax errors occurs when the rules of Python syntax are violated or type wrong syntax. So if you type wrong syntax, so then syntax error will come. These errors are detected before the program is executed. So this is just like a rule, Python rule. If you not return syntax or Python just rules and protocols, then these types of errors come. Just like you can see the common causes of missing a colon, right? Incorrect indentation, misspelled keywords, missing brackets or a quotes. In example, you can see here if x is greater than 5 then print hello. So what is the error here? You can see in if after if condition there is a no colon, so that's why this syntax error come. What is the error? Expected colon. So this is called as a syntax error. So let's see this example in your VS Code so you can understand what is the syntax error. So you can see this is a syntax error. Just create one file that is a type underscore syntax. So you can give file name like a type error as well. Type error dot py and just write one program. If suppose 5 is greater than 4 and just print suppose hello. If 5 is greater than 4 then this should be the print hello, but here you can see it's showing just like a error. See, this is in a red line and in after the 4 you can see there is a red symbol. So you can see this is a unexpected result. So let's run and check. So you can see this is a syntax error, expected colon, and here you can see same syntax error, expected colon. So where this colon you can see if 5 is greater than 4, here you have to mention the colon. So just write a colon here. See, now error has gone. Now run the program. You can see output is hello. So that type of errors come when you write a program. This is called as a syntax error. So already you see the syntax error, incorrect indentation, misspelled keywords, missing bracket as well. So this is called as a syntax error. Now see the second types of error, that is runtime errors or exception. Runtime errors occurs while the program is running. Even though the syntax is correct, but these errors causes the program to stop abruptly. Means after the execution of a program, these types of error come. This is called as a runtime errors, and this is the second types of errors in a Python. So these are common runtime errors, just like a zero division error, name error. This is also called as a name error, type error, index error, key error. So these are runtime errors. In example, you can see suppose a equals to 10 and b equals to 0 and print a divided by b. So how we can divide it by 0? 0 is not divisible. We can't divide by 0. So that's why 0 division error, division by 0. So this is not a syntax error. You can see, just I will show you an example. Suppose just I am commenting this code. So you can see, suppose a equals to 10 and b equals to suppose 0, and we trying to divide this number, that is a print a divided by b, right? And now see, you can see here there is a no syntax error because everything is a correct, but you will get the error. You can see in terminal zero division error, division by 0, and you can see the error a divided by b. So this is called as a runtime error. How to identify this is a runtime error? This will show just like a traceback. So traceback means this showing the line number. It means program is already executed, and this is called as a runtime error. This is not a syntax error to stop run program. This is a runtime error, so it will get after execution. So these types of errors called as a runtime errors. So now see the third logical errors. Third number is the logical errors. So what is the logical errors? Logical errors occur when the program executed successfully but produce the incorrect output due to the incorrect logic. So here is a syntax properly and runtime execution properly, but these errors are not detected by Python. Why? This making them difficult to find, because these types of error occur due to the developer or a software engineer. So you can see a equals to 10 and b equals to 5, and you are trying to add this number, and you have written just like a print a minus b, and you forget you have to add, should be addition. Suppose you have given instruction try to add this number or make the addition of the number, but you have typed minus here, subtraction symbol, and you are trying and getting output is 5, and you are surprising why this getting of 5, because this is called as a logical error and expected is a 15. So then these types of error called as a logical error. So I will show you. Suppose these are two numbers and you are suppose like you want addition. Your task is to perform the addition of a number, and just like you performing just like a minus b, you forget you have to write addition symbol here, and you are just like a printing or executing program, and you are getting the 5 output, and you are thinking my program is correct, but you forget to write correctly. So that's why this is called as a logical error. So in summary table, you can see, suppose this is syntax error and detected when before the execution. Program will not execute. Syntax error means program will not execute and you will get the error. Program executed? No, you can see no. Result, program stops. And runtime error during the execution of a program. So program execute? No. And result is a program crashes. And logical error after the execution, you already saw, and program executed also, but this is the wrong output. So these three types of error you can face in a Python. So you have to handle this error. So for handling, you need to know about the exception handling. So in exception handling, you can handle these types of errors. So in next video, we will see how to handle these types of errors by using exception handling techniques. So in next video, we will see what is the exception handling and how we can handle these types of errors. So just you need to know the syntax error, runtime error, logical error. This is the types, and you need to understand what is the syntax error, what is the runtime, and what is the logical errors, and you can segregate this difference of this error. So that's all about the types of errors and errors in a Python. So thank you for watching this video.